Why investing big when smaller one is smarter? In today's world, efficiency matters more than size. Instead of spending massively on oversized machines, compact, smarter options deliver the same results with less cost, space, and maintenance. For that,
K-Tex Automation proudly presents
the CONROD revolutionary angle, milling, and chamfering machine, one of our finest innovations. Engineered for precision, speed, and reliability, this machine combines angle cutting and chamfering into a single setup, reducing cycle time while delivering unmatched accuracy. It stands as a benchmark in modern machining solutions. The video showcases the CONROD revolutionary angle, milling, and chamfering machine in operation. A connecting rod, CONROD, is fixed onto the machine setup. The machine performs angle milling with smooth, precise cutting action. It then shifts seamlessly into chamfering processes. Let's discuss about the features of angle milling and chamfering machine. This machine combines angle milling and chamfering in one setup, and its rigid design ensures zero vibration and smooth operation. The machine's high-speed spindle delivers consistent precision and superior surface finish. Its time-saving automation minimizes manual adjustments. The machine is built for heavy-duty, long-lasting industrial use. You can clearly see the rigid structure minimizing vibrations, ensuring stable machining. The process is automated, reducing manual handling and showing time efficiency. The output is a clean, well-finished connecting rod component.